How's it going, everybody? My name is Walker Ramsey, and I'm back here today to talk about bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. Now, we have two hormone specialists here at Revitalize, Dr. Ramsey and Dr. Minasaki. Dr. Ramsey has been practicing for over 20 years, so she's a renowned physician here in the Valley as far as hormones go. So what is BHRT, bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, and who can it benefit? It's common knowledge for all of us. Our bodies start to break down as we age. We don't feel as good. Our appetites change. We start to lose hair, libido decreases. There's a lot of things that happen as we age that we don't like. So that's common knowledge, right? And there are things that we can do to combat that or optimize our hormone levels. We deal with menopause, we deal with andropause, poor health, fatigue, as I mentioned before, low libido. And ultimately what we are doing is we are replacing our depleted hormones with new bioidentical hormones to our body. So we are just swapping the hormones for newer, healthier hormones that allow us to live an optimal life and a happier life. So who can benefit from hormone replacement therapy? Both men and women. At some point, as I said, we all start to age. Women go through menopause, men go through andropause. Happens at different times in everybody's life, but both men and women can benefit from this treatment. Our patients experience better stamina. We have a lot of athletes in here, better libido, energy, metabolisms. So, we are experiencing great results with these hormones. So if you are interested in hormone replacement therapy, or you're not receiving the results that you would like to see from your current physician, give us a call. We'll get you your initial consultation. Our number is 480-970-0077. Give us a call and we will be sure to get you on the schedule.